When we put the mobile to charge, it can be easy to miss when it has finished, having to go check it from the time to time. A curious solution is to have the mobile tell you out loud that it has been fully charged, with the use of Automate app. With this app, we will create an animation, which as soon as the mobile is fully loaded, the message you want will be played. Once the application is downloaded, press the floating button plus to create the first project, which starts with a start node. Press the plus button again to add the first block. You must choose battery level within the battery and power category. Tap on this node after adding it to the panel and change its value minimum level to 100%. Back in the project overview, link with go from flow beginning to end of when battery level, drawing a line with your finger which will link both blocks. We already have the condition, but we lack the action that will take place. And add the speak block inside camera and sound. Tap on it to access its parameters and enter the text you want to be played in the message section. It is recommended that you also specify the language in language, and it is worth choosing the TTS engine in engine, in case you have several different ones on your mobile. Press save to return to the project preview and link from the yes of when battery level to the end of speak, linking them together. Go and you can edit automation to change its name, although this is totally optional. To do this, you must press the button on the pencil and then choose the button for the label. Hit save. The only thing left is to wait for the battery to reach 100% or the amount you have configured. At that time, the mobile will play the message you specified using the mobile's TTS engine. The only downside is that you must leave the mobile unlocked so that the application can perform the action.